everybody! Mommy Ann here! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Every month of October, we are celebrating United Nations Day. And since nalalapit na ito, for today's video, I'm going to share with you UN costumes for UN event. First, I'd like to introduce my simple Korean outfit that I designed. Kinumbine ko ang gray and red color. Tapos nilagyan ko siya ng white scarf here. Nilagyan ko ng big ribbon ang skirt at ginawa ko itong high waist. It looks very simple, but most of the students here, they love renting this. This lovely dress, beautiful costume, isa ito sa mga outfit style na isinusuot ng mga Dutch women, German, and Italian women. They have different kinds of beautiful dresses, pero ito ang napili ko para i-present sa mga clients ko. May mga ruffles design, may mga ribbons, and of course, hindi mawawala ang apron. They love wearing dresses with apron, and I'm so happy seeing my clients wearing this kind of costume because they look very beautiful and fabulous. Ito naman ang aking Chinese costume na madalas i-rent ng mga students tuwing sasapit ang United Nations Day. They are also using this kind of costume sa ibang school activities nila. Gustong-gusto nila ang pagka-red color nito and even the beautiful design of it. Simple, pero maganda ang dating. I still have some more designs of this. I have color pink, and I also have green color, and there is also a combination of black and white. This beautiful costume I prepared for my clients, for those students who wants to wear an Australian outfit for their UN event. I find this costume really cute and I just really love it. There are some ribbons in front of the dress and lots of ruffles too. Hola, mi amigo, mi amiga. This costume is an old design of mine. It's a Mexico and Spain outfit. We all know that Mexican people and Spain, they love wearing beautiful dresses with lots of ruffles. And I love it too. I love dresses with ruffles and a very colorful one. I also designed costume for men. Wait lang guys, I'll take it because I want to show it to you. This is one of men's costume that I just designed. I combined black color and white. Nilagyan ko din siya ng gold. At gumawa din ako ng ruffles. Gumawa din ako ng red belt para dito. Naka-insert lang siya sa loob. And there's pants also na naka-insert sa loob. There's one more guys. Wait lang po, I'll take it. This is the other costume for men. Naka-design ko lang din. I combined red color and gold. Gumawa din ako ng white ruffles with red belt. Naka-insert din sa loob yung belt niya and even the pants. I'm really enjoying when I'm designing. God is giving me so much inspiration. And binibigyan din niya ako ng wisdom kung anong gagawin ko. And mga ideas every day. I'm asking Him to give me ideas every day para makagawa pa ako ng mga bagong designs ko. Thank you, Lord. And guys, bago tayo mag-end up, let's do this first. Uno, dos, tres. Un pasito pa'lante, Maria. Uno, dos, tres. Un pasito pa'lante. Wepa! Thank you guys for watching. I really enjoyed it, to be honest. Thank you for your support, guys. Until next time po. Bye for now.